This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Genasys Inc. Genasys builds critical communication systems and trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker GNSS, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to place trades. Use the platform search bar to look up the company by name or ticker. Type GNSS and choose the Genasys Inc. listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent price movement. Confirm the listing reads Genasys Inc. on NASDAQ with ticker GNSS before moving on. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending order, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.